Good morning, my name is John, and this is a Homestead Diary. One of the projects that we're working on is we are doing concrete around our Quonset hut, which you can see behind me. And so, a few months ago, we poured an initial slab. Well, we poured a slab inside the Quonset hut, all through there, about 20 by 24. And then we poured this little apron here around the front for the door, and then partially around the back. And then we ran into a spot where we couldn't pour any further at that moment. And that was this spot. There was an ancient hydrotherm wood boiler here that we had a wood boiler expert come out and examine, and he looked at it and said, the amount of money that you put in this to get it going, you may as well buy a new one, or at least a good used one, which we've since done, and we're preparing to install it, and that's part of this project. Yesterday I had to take the hammer drill and make a series of holes all along here, and then take a floor chisel and bust these things apart so that we can remove them. And so this piece right here, the front piece, is going to be incorporated into the foundation of this slab where it meets up. And then these pieces will end up being, I don't know, mini slabs for whatever. We're thinking we're going to take the old wood boiler and turn it into a smoker. It's kind of set up for that, just a matter of putting some racks in. So we think we could do something good there. I think we'll use that slab. For that, it's just a matter of taking this little machine and moving that way up there on the hill. And so it's all kinds of fun. You know, it's the kind of thing that no one gets excited about, but just needs to be done because it's going to be awful nice when we have a slab here, and we'll have a wood boiler, and then we're going to have a ton of wood. You can see kind of off in the distance there. There's a place locally that manufactures pallets. They're maybe a half an hour away, and they sell their cutoffs of oak primarily for 20 bucks a ton. And so you just roll up with the dump trailer and you get 3-4 tons on there, and wow, all of a sudden you've got 3 or 4 cords of wood. And I'm sure someone will correct me and say that oak actually weighs X number of pounds per ton or whatever. The point is, for minimal effort and minimal cash, we have lots and lots of firewood. And so we'll store it all here. We're going to do a lean-to type of structure off the back of the Quonset hut where we've already got a bunch of wood stacked. And then we'll be able to feed the boiler and keep the house and the Quonset hut and possibly greenhouses toasty warm. Anyway, that's the little project going on here today. Y'all have a good one.